Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the rear brake discs and brake pads on Honda Accord. These are the brake discs right there. So first, in order to remove them, first we need to remove the brake caliper. Brake caliper is held by two bolts right there that we need to remove. You might want to hold the slider with size 15 wrench before in order to remove the bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the two bolts are removed, I can take out the brake caliper. Next, I need to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper support. These are the two bolts, I've already almost removed them. We take them out and remove the brake caliper support. Next we're going to remove the brake disc. The brake disc is held by two screws. We need to remove them and then take out the brake disc. If the brake disc doesn't want to come out, we might want to hammer it a little bit and it will get loose and it will get free and you can remove it. And that's the brake disc out. Now we can replace it with a new one and start assembling everything else in the reverse order. First we're going to use a brake caliper cylinder compression tool in order to compress the brake cylinder back in its place. I'm going to hold the brake caliper with those big pliers while I try to turn the brake caliper compression tool. After I bring the cylinder in all the way, I can continue assembling the rest of the things. Next I'm going to put the brake caliper support on and I'm going to put the two bolts and tighten them. Next I'm going to put on the two brake pads, and then I'm going to put the brake caliper back in its place. Next I'm gonna put on the two bolts holding the brake caliper and tighten them. After we're finished with replacing the brake pads and the brake disc on this side, we do the same on the other side. And then when you go into the car, don't forget to press the brake pedal a couple of times so that the brake cylinder goes into normal position. And then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.